Okay. Go and open your handout to page 282. And today we're going to do the digit problems. So let's go and start with number 2. So let's go and read it through. So it says the sum of the two digits of a number is 12. And the 10th digit is twice the 1st digit. What is the number? So by reading first time, you need to figure out what type of the problem this is, right? So this is the digit problem. And it has two digits. So when you have two digits, what you need to do is you want to go and put down the box for the digits. So get into a habit of doing this. So in the future, when the problem gets complicated and you already know the proper technique, then you'll be okay. But when you start to do strange method, again, you don't have the proper techniques. When you get harder problem, you're going to get stuck. Okay? So two digits. So this is a unit digit or the 1st digit, and T for the 10th digit. So that is your two-digit number. Okay? So let's go and read. Now remember, 10th digit is worth 10, right? Just like $10 bills, right? Unit digit is like $1 bills. So it's same idea. Right? So let's go and read. Okay? Again, remember to translate, right? You write things down as you read. So it says the sum, that means it's plus, right? Sum means plus of the two digits. Okay? The sum of the two digits. So these are digits. Now make sure you know the difference between digits and numbers. Okay? Number is a value. Digit is like each of these number on its place. Okay? So sum of the digits, so 10th digit and a unit digit, that's what it means. Okay, so again, when it's digits, you do not multiply. So sum of the two digits of the number is means equal 12. Okay? And comma means the next equation. The word and means also. Okay? It does not mean add. Next one is the 10th digit, so that's T. Again, when you have digit, do not multiply. Do not like multiply by 10. Okay? So the 10th digit, T, is means equal. Twice means 2 times the 1st digit or the U. Okay? So that's your equation. So what is the number? So now you have two equations. So remember from chapter 12, this kind of equation is a substitution kind. So you need to substitute into here. Okay? So you're going to get 2U plus U equal to 12. So you're going to get 3U equal to 12. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So U equal to 4. Now don't box that yet. Okay? Because that's not the final answer. So U equal to 4. You come over here. You solve for T. So T equal to 8. So now you have to answer the question. What is the number? Well, the 10th digit is 8, unit digit is 4, therefore the number would be 84. Okay, and 84 is your final answer. So again, do not box the U, do not box the T, because those are only digits. Okay? Let's go to number 3. Actually, I want to do the one is reversed. Okay. So let's go to number 3. So again, you need to read through first. So number 3 is a sum of the digit of the number is 10. The number is 36 less than the reversal of its digits. Find the number. So this how to do with the digit reverse. So it's switching the digits. So whenever digits are reversed, this is what you need to do. Okay, you got two numbers. You got original number has the 10th digit and the unit digit. Then you have the new number. The new number is when the digits are reversed. So the unit digit get moved to the front and the 10th digit get moved to the back. So again, the new number is when you switch the digits. So this is original, you switch the digit, become the new number. Okay? So again, you need to know that. So this is the technique you need to know. When the digits are reversed, right away you need to get original number, the new number. Now you go back, you're going to read and translate into equations. So it says the sum, okay, so that's plus, right? That's what sum means, right? The sum of the digits of a number. So digits are just T and the U, right? The sum of the digits of a number is 10, right? The next one, it says the number. Now, the number, that means original number. So when you translate, you need to do this. So original number, that's what a number means. So the number is means equal, 36 less than, so 36 less than the reverse of its digits. Okay, so the number is 36 less than the reverse of its digit means the new number. That's what it means. So again, the original number is 36 less than the new number when the digits are reversed. So that's what that means. So next thing you have to do is you have to know how to translate this. Okay, when its number is a value, so this is worth 10. Okay, so when you deal with number, you have to multiply the t by 10 because this is 10. This was 10, so that's why it's 10. Okay, plus u because this only multiplied by 1, right? Now the new number is over here. So this is worth 10 now because this is in the 10th place. So it'll be 10u plus t. Okay, again, the new number, this is in the 10th place, so this is worth 10. That's why you have to multiply by 10. Just like $10 bills, you have to multiply by 10, right? Because it's worth 10. Okay? So that's why you need to do this to keep track of what number is what digit, so you can figure out the value. So now, once you translate into equation, now it's a matter of using your technique to solve. Okay? So that's going to work things out. So I'm going to move all the variables to this side, right? Again, you know this before, right? So minus 10u, minus 10u, minus 1t, minus 1t. So all this get canceled out. None of your equal sign. So when you minus, you're going to get 9t minus 9u. Now, if you do it correctly, this is how you know you do it correctly. If you can divide to lower your number, that's a clue that you're doing it correctly. If you cannot lower your number, that's a clue that maybe you're doing something wrong. Okay? So I'm going to lower my number to make it easier to solve. Okay? So I'm going to divide everything by 9 to make it a little bit easier to solve. So t minus u equal to negative 4. So now these are opposite already. Right? So I'm going to put underneath to solve. So I'm going to put this under here. So I got t plus u equal to 10. So I get 2t equal to 6. And I'm going to divide by 2. So I get t equal to 3. So once I get t equal to 3, I substitute into here. Right, t equal to 3, so I'm going to substitute into here. And minus 3. So u equal to 7. So my final answer, my number, 10th digit is 3, unit digit is 7. So my number would be 37. Okay. Okay, so let's do one more. So let's do number 10. Again, let's read through the problem. It says the difference of the two-digit number and a number with its digits reversed is 9. The sum of the digit is 7. What is the original number? So again, this is the digit problem with digit reversed. So right away, you're going to get original number. You're going to have 10th digit and a unit digit. And you're going to have the new number. And new number is when it reversed. So it'd be u and a t. Okay, now, not always reverse. In some problem, they will say, the 10th digit is double. Then in case you're going to get 2t, right? So you can do whatever. So they can say maybe the unit digit is reduced by 5. Then you're going to get u minus 5 instead. Okay, so you got to do exactly what it says. So over here is reversed, so that's why you switch. Okay, but in some cases, it's not always reversed. Okay, so again, in some cases, they can say, so I'm just give you an example. Like in some cases, right? They will say they want to add 5 to the 10th digit. In that case, would be t plus 5. And subtract 3 from the unit digit, then would be u minus 3. So again, you have to read exactly what it says and do exactly what it says. So right now, it's very easy. They just say, okay, just reverse a digit. And that's it, right? Okay, so now let's go back and translate. Okay, remember what I said about translation, right? You did this a lot already, right? You need to read and write down at the same time, right? Okay, so let's go and read. It says, the difference. So difference means what? Subtraction, right? So write down subtraction. So difference of the two-digit number. Okay? Again, it's a number. Okay? So you're talking about original number, right? So you need to know the difference between the digits and the number. If a digit, these are digits. This is number. Okay? So when it says the difference of two-digit number and the number with digit reversed. So that's a new number. Again, it's a number, right? Okay, so you can digit, number. You got to know the difference between the two. Okay? So the difference between the two-digit number and the number with digit reverse is 9. Okay? And the next one is the sum. So sum means plus the digits. So it's T and a U. Okay? The sum of the digits is 7. So again, these are digits. These are numbers. You need to know the difference. When it says number, you put numbers. When it says digit, you put digits. Okay? Now, next thing you have to do is, again, you have to translate these, right? You have to convert these. So original number is this one over here. So this is in the 10th place. So this is worth 10. So you're going to get 10t plus u minus. So the new number is this one here. Okay, so the new number is this one here. So this is worth 10. Right? This is in the 10th place. So this is worth 10. So it would be 10u plus t equal to 9. Now you have to be careful. Remember what I say, right? When you substitute, you put in the parentheses. Or else you're going to make mistakes when there's a subtraction. Okay? So now you're going to work it out. So let's get rid of the parentheses. So you're going to get 10t plus u minus 10u minus t equal to 9. So remember this over here. Yeah, this is going to be changed. Combine like terms, you're going to get 9t and minus 9u equal to 9. Remember what I said, right? This is your clue that you're on the right track because you can divide to lower your number to make things easier to do. Okay? And I'm going to put this under here because the u already opposite, so I can use elimination method. So t plus u equal to 7. So I add, so I get 2t equal to 8, divide by 2, so t equal to 4. So once I find t equal to 4, I come back over here, so I substitute. So minus 4, so u equal to 3. Okay, so now I can answer my question, right? So t equal to 4, u equal to 3. So you have to read the question because sometimes they may ask you what is the new number, or sometimes they can ask you what's the original number. So you have to pay attention, right? So it says what is the original number? So original number is t and u, right? So original number would be 43. Okay. Okay, so let's go back and let's go and do some practice.